What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? We're back in here. I'm a little bushy. You know what I'm saying? It's Friday. It's like April 24th. It's my homeboy's, my cousin's birthday. So shout out to him. You know what I'm saying? It's been a pretty good day, man. I just got back to the house. I've been gone like all day. Been having internet issues at the house. So I couldn't really work from home today. We're back up and running now. So in a little bit, I'm going to go in there and do some coding. But I just got home. Got a box in. Just going to do a little unboxing. Probably do a little install if you guys are interested. But basically, I got these from Facebook. There's a guy on there who's, this is for the Z. So these are, he did a JDM conversion, tail light conversion on these tail lights. So we're going to put these in the Z. I've always wanted the JDM ones. They're white instead of the amber color. And so he did a conversion and it looked pretty good in the pictures. So I'm hoping they look good. Spent most of the day, man, at the dealership. Went to Maserati dealership. And girlfriend got a new car. She got a Range Rover Evoque. It's really nice. Okay. All right. Looks good, though. So, yeah. Let me clean my lens because it's probably dirty. So, yeah, if you don't know what the JDM taillights look like, this is it. So, instead, I'll show it once I put them in. But instead of, so US version of these, this is amber. And so he did a conversion, but the JDM also comes with 2 pinstripes, I think, going across just the bottom part. But this is just a lot cleaner look. This is a more cleaner look, in my opinion. So I like that. A lot of a lot of adhesive on the bottom of these, on the back of these rather. So I'm gonna examine this. Oh, this is the middle piece. I don't think I really need this. I don't need to think mine's in pretty good shape. So I may resell this. See how much they're worth on the market. I may resell this because mine's in pretty good shape. I don't need it. If anybody needs the middle piece that says 300ZX, I may modify it. I don't know. No, probably not. I'll probably sell this. So if anybody needs this, holler at your boy. You can get it for a very small fee. So there you go, guys, man. Quick little vid. Just take the back panels off. We got like 4 nuts that's holding it, as well as adhesive. There's a ton of adhesive back here. So if you can get it heated up a little bit, that'll probably help with it coming out. But that's the difference. As you can see, that white is so much more cleaner. Looks so much better. So I'm gonna finish installing these, and then I'll show you guys the finished product with the trunk closed and everything. So if anybody wants some US spec tail lights to do the conversion, my set will be for sale, including the middle piece. I'm keeping my middle piece. I'm gonna sell the one that came with these because I don't need it. Mine's in decent shape, and yeah, there's the range. Real good. Anyway, get the rest of these installed, and I'll show you guys what we got when we get done. All right, guys. So got the tails in. Let me go ahead and the trunk, so you guys can. Even though my piece up here is beat up, like I don't know what, but ooh, I hope I didn't break nothing. Forgot I had stuff up there. Oh well. I just washed this car. Oh well. But anyway, that's what the JDM tails look like. Well, the JDM conversion tails. Man, that looks so much better. So much cleaner. Back out a little bit. It looks so much cleaner. So I'm gonna finish putting the trim back in, test the lights to make sure all of them work, and yeah, man, got us some white tails. So the next thing visually we're gonna do this car, in no particular order, but I'm gonna get the Twin Z rear bumper. I think the Type 3. It's a lot shorter, so if you come over here and you look, at the profile of this, how long it sticks out. Not as long as the 2+2, but still pretty long. But I think the Twin Z, like, it cuts it down like half. Like it's a really sleek look, really clean. So we're gonna go with that. We're gonna go with the probably the Wind Factory CL or CSLR wing, and that'll cover up all this, because if I wasn't going with that wing, I would have got a new one of these or fixed this part. But there's no point in doing it because this is gonna be covered up. So the wing will kind of mold in. But yeah, that's the plans for now. We're getting there, man. It's getting there. This definitely makes the rear look a lot better in my opinion. So we'll finish this up, button this up, make sure the lights work, and yeah, I'll be back. All right, y'all, man, that looks so much better, so much cleaner. I mean, definitely much better than the Ambers. Like I said, guys, got a whole set Ambers with the middle piece for sale. Shoot, if you guys are interested, if anybody needs them, I'll let them go for a little bit of nothing. I just don't want them to be sitting in the garage forever. I'll put them on eBay too. But yeah, man, if you got the opportunity to go with those JDM, I mean, good God, that looks so much better, man. They're really brightened up. Now I just need to get rid of this part and this part. So this piece is good. The middle piece. Well, other than that, guys, man, that's it. It's a very simple install. Literally takes no time. And it just makes the car look a lot better. I'm just getting this car prepared because I'm gonna be driving it a lot more once we get it get the exhaust done and get the tune tweaked. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. And today's been a pretty good day. Like I said, we went and picked that up, just put the tails in, and we got some incredible news for this thing right here. I really don't want to talk about it too much because, you know, stuff can fall through, but we possibly got an AGP twin turbo kit lined up. I put a deposit down on it, so y'all letting it go. It's missing a few things: vacuum lines, oil scavenge pump, and something else. I can't remember what else. A couple other things, and then of course I have to buy fuel injectors, auxiliary pump. I got a Z01 fuel pump over there. What else? A couple other things I'm gonna need. But yeah, man, I'm super excited. Zoom out. I'm super excited, guys. I said I was gonna boost this car this year, and I was holding out, you know, because there was a couple other things I wanted to buy specifically for this car, for the truck. I bought some stuff for the truck. I bought some stuff for this car. I'm still gonna continue to do so, but I was not trying to buy anything huge because I wanted to kind of save and have a little money put back in case something came along, and by God it did. I gotta take these off, man. I'm gonna wear these joints out because I'm gonna need them. But yeah, they come with twin 5757 turbos, which is good for about 9 to 1,000 horsepower. So like I said, guys, I don't want to jinx it. It's not guaranteed, but I put a deposit down. The guy's supposed to be taking it off this weekend, and if he gets it off and everything looks good, it checks out, I'm gonna send it to my boys, you know, and let them look at it, the pictures at least, and you know, we'll go from there. We'll make a decision. If it looks good, we'll send them the money. So, twin turbo Camaro coming to a screen near you. Y'all know what to do, man. Like, comment, subscribe, holla at your boy.